In a world where sustainability is paramount, one company stands as a beacon of innovation and environmental stewardship. Welcome to Jay Jalaram Brick Works, where legacy meets sustainability, and every brick is a testament to our commitment to the world and its people. For decades, JJB has been a cornerstone of employment, providing livelihoods. At JJB, we understand the importance of preserving our natural resources. From minimizing air emissions to maximizing water efficiency, every aspect of our operations is geared towards sustainability. Our commitment to quality ensures that every JJB brick is built to last. With superior durability and a long life cycle, our products stand the test of time. But sustainability goes beyond quality. It's about responsible resource usage. That's why we incorporate recycled materials, including water, clay, and other resources, into our production process, reducing our environmental footprint. At JJB, we prioritize the well-being of our workers and the environment. Our clean, safe working environment ensures that our team can thrive, while stringent safety measures protect them from harm. We are committed to a sustainable future. That's why we've invested in solar energy installations and are on track to shift entirely to renewable energy by 2030. At Jay Jalaram Brick Works, sustainability isn't just a goal, it's our promise to future generations. Join us on our journey towards a greener, more sustainable tomorrow.